My name is Brittany Lloyd, and I am the quilter and designer behind Lo and Behold Stitchery. I design modern quilts and quilt patterns for people of all skill levels, and we're here today in my sewing studio. I have been quilting for about 4 or 5 years. I like to design quilt patterns that reflect my signature style, something that I want to see in my own home and that I really feel like translates well into other people's homes. I like to see traditional elements from the history of quilting, but I like to kind of rework them a little bit to have a little bit of a modern flair. So the quilt that I made uses just traditional half square triangles, and I used my pattern called Vintage Lace. And basically it's just kind of a reworking of half square triangles. I kind of rearranged some things. I used Petal cotton, and it was really great for working with this quilting project. It feels really flexible. The hand was really nice. It didn't stretch or warp when I was sewing with it. When I used the iron on it, it laid really nicely flat. And then once I got it into the quilt, I feel like it just kind of morphed into this squishy, buttery material that it feels a lot more flexible than it did when it first arrived. And that's one thing that I love about Spoonflower is just the variety that you get, and the different prints that you get are all so different, and it's usually you can find something that you've never seen before or that anyone else has ever seen before, which is just really fun.